How to easily find bastions. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to find easily bastions. So without delaying any further, let's get started. Navigating through the nether realm can be a difficult task, so it's not always easy to find a bastion remnant. Here are some tips to help gamers in search of a bastion remnant in Minecraft. Bastion remnants structures can be found in any nether biome except for basalt deltas. However, if a basalt deltas biome is right next to another one, there is a chance of that some of the bastion may bleed into the basalt area. Regardless, players might be better off looking out into the four other nether biomes when in the search of a bastion. The safest bet is within the original nether waste biomes, as that is where the majority of bastions tend to generate. So in this very simple way you could find bastions in Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.